Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful chevron stitch. This is a single row repeat pattern made with single crochet. For this pattern, I am using 4 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, make a slip knot. For this pattern, we are going to make a chain of multiples of 25. I am going to be chain 50. To make a chain, yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, chain 2. Pause the video and continue to make a chain of multiples of 25. I completed my 50 chains. Then add 5 more chains to it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To start our first row, skip first chain. In the next chain, make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert the hook in the second chain. Grab the yarn and pull up. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Make a single crochet in the next chain. Insert the hook. Grab the yarn and pull up. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Skip one chain. In the next 11 chains, make a single crochet. Skip one chain. Insert the hook in the next chain. Grab the yarn and pull up. Yarn over, pull through both loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now we are at the peak of the chevron stitch. So in the next stitch we are going to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next 11 stitches, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. To make a base of the chevron stitch, whenever you are in the middle of the work, we are going to skip 2 stitches. So skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next 11 chains. Pause the video and make a single crochet in the next 11 chains. To make the peak of the chevron stitch, in the next chain make 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next 11 chains, make a single crochet. Pause the video and make 11 single crochets in the next 11 chains. I have completed my 11 single crochet. In the starting, we skipped 1 stitch for the base. Like that, we are going to skip 1 chain at the ending. Skip 1 chain and make a single crochet in the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. To start our next row, make a chain and turn. This is a single row repeat pattern, so we are going to repeat row 1. Make a single crochet in the first 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Skip 1 stitch for the base and make 11 single crochets in the next 11 stitches. Pause the video and make 11 single crochets. I have done my 11 single crochets. To make a peak of the chevron stitch, in the next stitch make 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next 11 stitches, make a single crochet. Pause the video and make 11 single crochets in the next 11 stitches. Now we are at the base, so skip 2 stitches and make 11 single crochets in the next 11 stitches. Pause the video and make 11 single crochets in the next 11 stitches. To make a peak of the chevron stitch, make 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Again, make 11 single crochets in the next 11 stitches. To make a base, skip 1 stitch. In the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. To start our next row, make a chain and turn and continue to make row 1 and make whatever size you want. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and thanks for watching.